I'm stoked with the final look of these designs, and shortly I'll run you through how we got here. To begin, we conducted research in the form of surveys and end-user interviews. We visited over 15 job sites in Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States. To complement this, we also sent out surveys and received over 2,000 responses from individual end users. Durability was the #1 feature that everyone wanted in a knife. End users really wanted an all-metal design. One-handed opening. They wanted to be able to be holding something and then be able to open their knife safely and be able to cut without taking their hand off that object. End users wanted a really high quality blade, so we decided to make the whole range out of SK5 steel. We also used the surveys to get a complete range offering and make sure that we could provide a knife for all of the end users that we're targeting. So from there we moved into sketching. And so the point of this first round of sketching is to explore just heaps of different ideas. We like to think about different shapes, colours. How can we use the Ox visual brand language? How can we incorporate that into our knives? So from the initial ideation, we can slowly increase the fidelity and create an entire cohesive range. We ended up with quite a straight, square knife that I think looked quite sleek, slim, and was also bold and trustworthy. So now that we knew what we wanted the range to look like, we could take it into the computer and create some higher fidelity renders so that we can get more of a sense of what it would look like. I really liked how angular it was. I liked the finger indentation that would hold your hand in the right spot. But when we actually took these out to tradies, straight away they were like, we like the look of it, but we're not sure if it's going to be ergonomic enough. And so we realized what we needed to do was make it more ergonomic and hide some of the curves that we kind of needed in a knife without compromising the bold angular look that we wanted to achieve. And so that led into this next round of ideating, even using some AI to conceptualize. And so finally we landed on this design here. And I was really stoked with this design because what we did was we created a secondary surface here that gently sloped inwards towards this hole, and then on top it gives you these really bold straight lines that then hide the curvature on the top and the bottom, and I think that was really effective because it creates quite a muscular, strong, upright position, and this became the look that we translated across the rest of the range.